You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this Italian word, and it's the name of a famous sculpture by this famous artist, Michelangelo. We'll be looking at how to say more Italian, so stay tuned. Pieta. Pieta is how it's said. Stress on that second syllable in Italian. It means piety. Indeed, easy. Pieta. And now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more confusing names. Too many get wrong. Arrivederci. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.